My name is Uma Mahajan, and my today's topic is array in Java. That's a pretty large word count. Instead, I can give you a thorough overview of array in Java that covers their key concepts, uses, and best practices. Let's start with that array in Java. What is an array? An array is a data structure that hold a fixed numbers of elements of the same type. In Java, array are objects that cannot store either primitive types. Example: integer, char, double, or references or to object. Example: string, class. Second is a declaration and initializations. Array in Java are declared and initialized using the following syntax. Declarations: Java copy code integer bracket my array string bracket str array. The brackets can also come after the variable name, like integer my array bracket. Initializations and initializations and initializations. Java copy code my array equals to new integers bracket in 5. Create an array of 5 integers initialized to d. Combining declaration and initializations. Copy code integer bracket my array equals to new integer in bracket 5. Creates comment creates an array of 5 integers. String bracket str array equals to in bracket hello and world. Declares and initialize an array. Third is accessing elements. Each element is an array. Is accessed use its index which start at 0. Accessing elements. Integer value equals to my array in bracket 0. Gets the first elements. My array in bracket 2 equals to 10. Comment assign the value 10 to the third element. Fourth is the length of an array. The length of an array is fixed upon creation and cannot be changed. You can access the length using the length property. Integer length equals to my array dot length. 5 is types of array. Single dimensional array. The simplest form of array. Multidimensional array. Array can have more than one dimension. For example, a 2D array is often used to represent a matrix. Example of a 2D array: integer two brackets matrix equals to new integer, first bracket in third 3 and second bracket in 3. uh, 3 into 3 matrix, 2D array matrix in bracket 0 and second in bracket 0 equals to 1. Set the value of the first element. 6 is the iterating through an array. You can iterate through an array using loops like the for loops or the enhanced for loop, also called for each loop. And for integer I equals to 0, I less than my array dot length and then I plus plus. In bracket sys out my array of I. Enhanced for loop for each loop. For integer elements, my array sys out elements. And seventh is the array of objects. Array in Java can store reference to objects, not just primitive types. String string bracket name equals to new string bracket in 3 names bracket in 0 equals to Alec names bracket in 1 equals to Bob names bracket in 2 equals to Charlie. 8 is a default values. When arrays are initialized, they are assigned default value. Numeric type. Example: integer double default to 0, boolean array default to false, object reference array. Example: string brackets default to null, Ninth is the array and memory. Arrays in Java are stored in heap memory. The memory allocations in contiguous, meaning that each element of the array is stored once after the other. So thank you, ma'am. That is my today's topic.